Grammar Bites, Lesson 7, Capitalization Part 1. Remember that Grammar Bites is a series of videos, so I want you to watch all of them so that you learn all of the grammar rules. Today I'm talking about capitalization. First, we need to talk about the alphabet. The English alphabet has how many letters? 26. But here I see all the letters, and there are actually 52 letters. Why is that? Every letter of the alphabet has two forms, or two kinds. Let me show you. So here we have the uppercase letters. Some people call these capitals or big letters. Here we have the lowercase letters. Some people call these small or little letters. How do we know which form of the letter, uppercase or lowercase, we should use? Well, we have grammar rules, of course. Here is grammar bite number 7. There are rules for when to use uppercase or lowercase letters. This is often called capitalization. So the rules of using capitals. Before I tell you some of the rules, I want you to answer some questions. When should you use uppercase letters? When should you use lowercase letters? I invite you to think about your answers, talk about your answers, or write your answers. Rule number 1. Capitalize the first word of a sentence. Read with me. The ball is red. So which word is the first word? The. So because the is the first word of the sentence, we capitalize the first letter of the. Remember the rule. We capitalize the first word of a sentence. Rule number 2. Capitalize names and other proper nouns. Hey, that's me, Shona. Shona is my first name. So we capitalize the first letter of Shona, the S. What about my last name, Shona Nichols? It's also a name, so we capitalize the N, Shona Nichols. Rule number 3. Capitalize days, months, and holidays. Here's an example. Days. Monday. Which letter should we capitalize? The M. Do you remember the other days of the week? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And look, the first letter of all the days is capitalized. It's the same rule for months. Here we have January. The first letter of January is J. It should be capitalized. Do you remember the other months? So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And look, the first letter of every month is a capital. Finally, we capitalize holidays like Valentine's Day, Easter, Halloween, and Christmas, and many more holidays. Let's see if we can remember all of the capitalization rules from today. Rule 1. Capitalize the first word of a sentence. Rule 2. Capitalize names and other proper nouns. Rule 3. Capitalize days, months, and holidays. Okay, let's practice. I made some mistakes. I forgot to use capitals. I'm wondering if you can find the mistakes and then correct them. Maybe you'd like to pause the video and do this by yourself or do it with a class. Here are all the mistakes. Here are the sentences corrected. Today we talked about 3 capitalization rules. There are even more rules, so I'm going to talk about more rules in the next video. Thanks for learning with me. We'll see you next time. New videos in the Grammar Bites series will be posted on Thursdays and Sundays. Remember to subscribe in YouTube. You can also find my videos for free on my website, www.mycanadianenglish.com.